Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Masala Bharwa Mirchi. Preparation time for this recipe is just 2 minutes and the cooking time is 8 minutes. In 10 minutes you can finish this recipe. You can serve this Masala Bharwa Mirchi as a side dish for chapati, puri and also for rice. It will be perfect with dal rice and ghee. Let's start the recipe. Take 6 to 7 bajji mirchi, clean them and slit them as shown in the video. If you prefer less spicy, then remove the seeds in the mirchi. Now let's prepare stuffing for the mirchi. Add 1/2 tablespoon of cumin, 1/2 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 to half tablespoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste and add little water. Adjust red chili powder as per your taste. Here I am adding little water again and grinding it so that the masala turns into paste. Totally I used 2/2 tablespoon of water. Now stuffing is ready. Add masala to the mirchi as shown in the video. Adjust this stuffing as per your taste. Here I used this masala for 7 mirchis. If you eat less spicy, add less stuffing to the mirchi. Now in a pan add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of turmeric. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Now add mirchis and cook for 8 minutes. Close and cook on low heat. Mirchis are changing color. You can see in the video. In between, turn the mirchis so that it will cook perfectly. Masala bharwa mirchi is ready. You can serve with chapati, puri and dal rice. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. More veg and non-veg curry recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.